Clarity is one of those massively underrated elements of running a successful brand. If you don't have crystal clear clarity on what your business is, what it stands for, why people should pick you, and precisely who you want to attract, you're not going to realise the potential within your business. Clarity will give you the ability to communicate persuasively, cohesively, and compellingly with your clients. It gives you the confidence to know what to say yes to. It gives you the confidence to know what to say, full stop. This is a great opportunity to stop, reflect, take stock, and think about where you're taking your brand next.